Want to increase from the kingdom of God the way he intended for you to increase from his kingdom? As kingdom citizens and children of his, he gives us in his word strategies on how we can increase directly from his kingdom. In the first video, we went over that God will always use what you are already in possession of. He never goes outside of what's already in your hands in order to multiply and increase you. In this video, we're going to do strategy number 2, which is seeking him for instruction on what to do with what you are in possession of. After you have identified what you are in possession of, you can't just go do whatever you want to do, because multiplication in the kingdom happens through his authority and his power. And in order to have his authority and his power, you need his word, which is authority, and his word goes to perform itself, power. His power is what is going to multiply what you have in your hand. And so you have to seek him. You have to ask him, what is it that you want me to do with what I'm in possession of? And we see this in Kings with the first widow, where Elijah told her to go make the meal, go prepare the meal with the ingredients that she had, and then feed him first. We see this with the second widow, where she was told to go get more jars. After she was done collecting all the jars, go in her room and shut the door. We see this with Jesus feeding the multitudes. He told the disciples to distribute the bread and the fish. And so instruction always comes with what we're in possession of. You need his instruction in order to multiply. Be blessed.